Welcome back to another video. I'm Korenn Rachelle, and if you haven't already subscribed, make sure you go ahead and hit that button. I am making bacalaitos. Really easy recipe. Let's jump right in. I'm getting started here with some green jackfruit. And here I'm making a really quick marinade for the jackfruit, which is just some water, kombu, or you can also use some seaweed and some sea salt. Fresh cilantro, fresh garlic, and jackfruit. Here I'm just preparing my jackfruit pieces, pulling out any of the hard gristle-like pieces. Into the marinade, and it's best to allow this to marinate overnight. To me, you'll get the best flavor out of the kombu or out of the seaweed. Here are my dry ingredients. This is a gluten-free flour blend along with a little bit of baking powder, and here's my flax egg. I've drained my jackfruit, and this is going right into a bowl. And I'm just breaking it up into smaller chunks. Adding in my dry ingredients with just a little bit of water, and this is ready to go. Inside of a little pot of hot oil, and I use canola, but you can use whatever frying oil of your choice. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Before you leave, make sure you go over and check out my Instagram account and go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I would love to see your food pictures, so make sure you tag me in any of your vegan food pictures. And check out some of my other videos. I have a couple linked in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to share it, and I will see you next time. My new website, it is thesoapfactory.com. You can go there, support a small business, buy a bar of soap. It is much appreciated. I'll see you later.